Do you want to earn millions a day in Theme Park Tycoon 2? Well, stay to the end to find out. Alright, let's begin. First, skip the tutorial because I'm the tutorial here. Delete everything in the park and close the park so guests won't enter and immediately start littering. Now select the Edit Terrain Height tool and make the brush size 5 by 5. Dig down by 10 meters and repeat this about 3 to 6 times until you get an empty plot large enough. Next, start making a path down towards your money farm area. You should try to use the absolute minimum if you want to save money. This is where we start making the farm. Select the steel coaster, make the station 2 pieces long and 1 track piece that goes upwards so the coaster will immediately roll back down. And there you go, your very first money farm. Now obviously we're going to need a lot more than just a steel coaster. At this point, you can open your park to guests now. Don't forget to add some food and drink stalls. Now, moving on to the second ride, we'll add a space rings. This usually has a long line, so make sure your queue path is long enough and price it to around $8 to $9. Also, one important thing about your money farm is make sure you can set your prices as high as possible. So experiment with different price points. Add a restroom so guests can take a crap. Price it to $5 or $6. Clear more land if you haven't already. I'm going to add a corkscrew coaster right about here. Do a similar thing here. Add some decorations if you'd like and price it to around $20. Basically, what we're going to do from this point is to make more roller coasters and add more stalls until we run out of money. Make sure to add stalls like hat stalls and balloon stalls. They can really earn some money, so don't sleep on those. Alright, after about 20 to 30 minutes of being AFK, we have around $20,000. I also managed to increase my park rating so I can charge more for entry tickets. Just gonna add some lights so it's easier to see. Moving on to the next ride, let's do a spinning coaster. Okay, not gonna lie, it was kinda hard to fit this in without disable collisions. Open! Just gotta clear more land here. Keep in mind to add as many different varieties of roller coasters and rides. I'm gonna put down a junior coaster and wild mouse coaster in this spot. Keep checking what guests think of your prices and add more stalls as well. Here's some pricing tips on the screen. You don't need to be restricted to just roller coasters. You can add other small rides too. Like right now, I'm going to add this teacup ride. Also increase the price of your ticket entry if you can. This depends on your park value and park rating as well. So right now, I can charge up to $27 to $30. Once you've made it this far, you need to get as much space as possible to fit as many rides as you can here. Before we hop off to go AFK, let's add one more section. You can fill this place up with stalls and seats for a guest chill corner, or if you have disabled collisions, you can fit one more ride here. Time to go AFK for about 30 to 45 minutes. Welcome back, y'all. We now have $100,000 after a while, so you know the drill. Expansion again. Now, I'm gonna be honest, it's the same. Add all the coasters you have, add more stalls, and repeat this until you're satisfied. So, I'm going to cut to my final product. As you can see, I have expanded to the other side of my park. A tip is to congestion all of them close together and make the queue paths no more than 3 paths. So all you need to do now is wait. I'll be back in 2 hours. So let's see how much we earn and how much you can actually earn in a day. And look at that, $500,000 in under 2 hours. So this means if you leave the game on for 10 hours, you can easily get over $2 million to $4 million in a day, depending on your farm size and prices. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you. Do leave comments for any suggestions or ideas.